The MG CyberX concept debuted in China as a small electric SUV with rugged design. The production version of the SUV will be part of the Cyber series, alongside the Cyberster roadster and coupe EVs. The concept will be followed by a production version that could be offered in Europe. It will ride on SAIC's E3 platform with electric power and cell-to-body construction. MG has unveiled the CyberX at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, and if you're thinking, wait, I thought this was just another concept, you're not entirely wrong, but also not entirely right. This SUV, part of MG's new Cyber series, which also includes the Cyberster roadster, was shown in thinly disguised concept form, as the production version is already on the drawing board. The CyberX sports a boxy profile, with short overhangs and a clean, minimalist surface. The greenhouse bears a strong resemblance to the Toyota Land Cruiser Series 300, which gives it that rugged, outdoorsy vibe. The pop-up headlights steal the show, perched on the hood just above a full-width LED strip. The boxy wheel arches, chunky tires, and generous ground clearance round out the SUV's stance. Joseph Cabin, the man behind this design, is no stranger to high-profile automotive design work. Having worked with Audi, Skoda, Bugatti, BMW, Rolls-Royce, and Volkswagen, he knows a thing or two about creating head-turners. His portfolio includes the exterior designs of the Bugatti Veyron, along with more mainstream models like the VW Lupo and Skoda Octavia. Speaking to Autocar magazine, Cabin explained that the CyberX takes a completely different approach from the Cyberster roadster, demonstrating MG's versatility, though the whole MG's versatility thing might still need to be proven in practice. He also mentioned that the pop-up headlights are an homage to the Ferrari Testarossa. In concept form, the CyberX measures 4.3 meters, 169.3 inches, long, placing it at the upper end of the subcompact segment in Europe. Despite its similar size, the CyberX could coexist with the more conventional MG ZS and ES5 models, thanks to its distinct character. While MG kept the interior under wraps, reports indicate that the CyberX's connectivity tech is being developed in partnership with smartphone giant Oppo. If the blacked-out windows are any indication, the model displayed at the Shanghai Auto Show was more of a static prototype than a fully functional vehicle. MG has yet to reveal full specs, but rumors suggest the production version could be the first to use SAIC's new E3 platform, an EV-specific architecture. This would mean the CyberX would be fully electric, with the potential for SAIC's cell-to-body tech, where the battery becomes part of the structure itself for improved rigidity and reduced weight. Beside China, the production version of the MG CyberX is also expected to be available in Europe and Australia. The timing of the launch has not been disclosed, though Chinese reports suggest it could be coming within the next couple of years.